Hello, this is Neuroledger. It solves the core problem of connecting medical science with AI, where hospital can collaborate together without sacrificing patients' data, identity, or anything. Which works on federated learning, where it is trained locally and share mathematical gradient, proving every step on OG on chain. So yeah, this is deterministic verification. It's work on Intel TDX hardware, which it is a standard sign, and basically this AI can help in pattern recognition on a large scale, reducing diagnostic error, analyzing large number of patients, and finding the best treatment which could be further useful for drug discovery. Here is being verified too. Now, hospitals can register as an agent permanently by connecting their wallet and staking AOGI, where decision policy is being implemented, whether to accept threshold, retain threshold, or enforced by the contract. The wallet is being connected by staking AOGI. So let's talk about the math still then. So the mathematics of Rayleigh differential privacy is being used, which is the precise accounting method and which is different than the standard DP, as it is more tighten and accurate, and as after each training round gradient is being produced, which is a vector of number describing how each model weight should change to improve the accuracy. Here is being registered and initiated as a node on the on-chain, and only the gradient is being sent to the OG storage. Not of any patient record is being sent to the OG storage. It is also being verified. We can import the CSV, or we can connect via the API to the data set of the hospital, and here the gradient will be produced. So yeah, it is being summarized. So this is a training simulator where hospital could be easily be visible. The RIMS which is just now being made is also being registered and visible. CSV is the file which is being uploaded, or those without CSV are being could be being connected with the API to their database of the hospital, and is being verified too. So basically in this, basically the terminal could run in background but could be visible here with the AI. So let's choose the hospital to the run the round. Right now it's being a RIMS which we have uploaded the CSV file also. Here is being initiated training, and the runner is live on OG Galileo. Each hospital train 30 epochs of logistic regression on its local database, which is basically the simple interpretable model that map input features, and then after training we compute the difference between the model before and after, and ran the DP, which is rainy DP. Noise is also being applied here. Here the 22 rounds which is already been done. Few are being unsuccessful, which is not being shown here. Here could be easily visible the database which are being done and being verified. So basically each by each all three will be here. Sorry, four. Gradient will be submitted on chain and will be permanently deleted from the disk. It is taking its time. Each hospital will be having its own specification of data, which was also being visible. Here is being started as all will be. So yeah, 3 is being done, and yeah, then these will be deleted, and only their gradient with their which was being produced after with their specification of data. Yeah, now TML will start working for their verification process, and it's working all good, which I will show in T enclave and their verification, which will produce the hash and the OG storage root hash go on chain as gradient being submitted. So yeah, it is all being done. Yeah, all the things are here, could be visible. This is T attestation. So this is the proof bundle for all round till round 28-7 just being performed, basically with aggregation hash, which works on multi-Kruger algorithm. And here is the all list. Multi-Kruger is bit different than the regular one, as it rate each gradient with their score without letting the one Poisson gradient skew up. Let's choose this, and this is a teased global model value that aggregated model learned with. And here is also the T proof compute ID, which real OG storage root has. And let's do with this one. It's being changed, and then with their own TE proofs compute ID and with global model, aggregated model learned. This is artifact ledger with all the block event type transaction has. It could be clearly being specialized zone and OG storage with the gradient JSON files. Let's suppose choose any one, and which has OG storage commute ID and with root hash with uploader, and could be downloaded the CSV file and can see it without any patient record, only with the block event and transaction hash, and all being verified, and this is all complete. Hello, there is a quick summary via mind map just to clear. So Neuroledger hospital agent. So these are the the core one which is used in the initial round. Then local training and privacy deleting, and clinical dataset via API to their database or just CSV. Then local AI training in to produce gradient which will be submitted to OG modular, and then data privacy to get the decision value and sigma value to take the decision as per. Then OG storage, so basically encrypted gradient and commute ID, anti proof storage which is also been uploaded in the mainnet, and Intel TDX enclave which is in a CPU level hardware and which help to produce reproducibility, and OG on-chain Galileo all been deployed in the mainnet and testnet too, all being provided could be verified. And this is a secure aggregation with the multi-Kruger which help in not making the whole poison with because of the one poisoned gradient by scoring the gradients, and then trimmed mean algorithm, then 7 Felix cryptographic proof on the on chain OG, and aggregation has generation, then autonomous decision where if it hold the threshold value from there, then it will be accept reject and then stop also being poisoning, and then audit and incentive to reputation scoring, and then reward distribution could be interrelated, and immutable audit trail and staking and slashing. Thank you.